This pattern, actually when you wear the blouse, it looks really pretty. So this is how we have designed this blouse, completely in zari and thread. It looks really gorgeous. Hey guys, welcome back to Naughty Threads. In case you're new here on my channel, do subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get all the future updates. So in today's video, I'm going to share my latest Ari work blouse designs. Most of you already know that I have opened my boutique again. We are in Kasturi Nagar in Banaswadi now. So just in case if you have any requirement, you can drop by. That way you will get to meet me personally as well. So we have designed a few blouses recently for a couple of my customers, so I thought I'll quickly share it with you guys. So this is the first one. It's a double color blouse, and for this I have designed a cutwork border like this. We have used a lot of knots, loading stitch and Zardosi stitches like this. So this pattern, actually when you wear the blouse, it looks really pretty. So this is the design for the sleeve, and this is how the neck is. So whenever you're designing this kind of cutwork neckline, the stitching really matters. Because of lot of ups and downs and curves, you will have to stitch these kind of blouses very carefully. So we have started tailoring classes as well again. We were not taking direct classes for quite some time due to Corona, but now we have resumed all our services. Tailoring classes have also started. There is basic course, there is advanced course, and there is specialization course in blouses. So in case if you are looking for tailoring course, you can just WhatsApp me and I will share the details with you. WhatsApp number is mentioned in the description box. So this is the back neck. We have also designed matching latkans like this, where we stuff it in with polyester cotton, or also known as Recron. The making of this latkans is also posted. I will try to link it in the I button. So this is a princess padded blouse, and this is the front neck. So it's the same design that we have replicated in the front. So let's move on to the next blouse. This is a very pretty color. The sari is also extremely pretty, but unfortunately I do not have the sari to show it to you guys. So a lot of my customers come to me because of the kind of work I do. A lot of them do not like beads. So that is the reason I take time, I take that extra care to design the blouses to look equally good without the use of beads or kundans or stone chain. So this is how we have designed this blouse, completely in zari and thread. It looks really gorgeous. So the neckline is pretty simple. That is why I have highlighted the sleeve. So for the sleeve we have this pattern, because the sari also has buttas like this. So keeping the design of the sari in mind, I have designed the blouse like this. So this is the sleeve. The front is also exactly the same like the back, and we have worked matching latkans for this as well. I have posted quite a few videos of making latkans, so you can just go ahead and check the playlist. And Ari work classes have also been resumed, so in case you're interested to learn Ari work directly from me, you can just WhatsApp me. So here the next blouse is like this kind of cut work in the back. Just this part, just the peacock part alone has cut work. For the remaining neckline, we have kept it simple. Let me just open it. So this is how the back neck looks. The sleeve is again designed slightly in a different way. Rather than just doing a butta in the center, we have designed the sleeve like this. This stitch especially enhances the design. It looks really intricate and gives life to the design. So this is the sleeve, and the front neck is exactly like the back. Latkans we did not work for this particular blouse because customer is not so fond of latkans. So this is how it is done. So let's see the next one. This is pretty much very simple kind of design. The sari is contrast pink color, so that is the reason we've used more of pink and antique gold. So it's the exact same design in the back, in the front and the sleeve. But all of this is not work because I do not use any beads. I prefer using lot of knots. Only then it will make the design look good. Otherwise the design tends to get too flat. That is why I like using more of knots. So this is a very pretty combination, yellow and light blue. Again, the neckline and the work is completely done using zari and silk thread. So all this yellow and blue color you see is all silk thread. We have used little bit of zardosi just to add that tinge of gold, and then antique zari to match the zari in the sari. So here we have replicated the exact same design. The same butta was in the sari, so we tried to replicate the same pair of peacock. And the sleeve also is done like this. So the same border is done in the sleeve round here, and on the top the same design as in the sari. So all this, if you closely observe, we have used ring knots, we have used clove stitches, French knots, back stitch, all of this is used. Satin stitch is used. So if you have no idea about these and if you are interested to learn, then you can just reach me out. For people who are not in Bangalore and who stay a little away from our place, I'm offering online classes. So do reach me out for more details. So this is the last blouse for today. I really do not want the video to be too long and boring, so I've just handpicked a few blouses that I wanted to share it with you guys. So this again is a very different cut work kind of design where a lot of work is done using zari and self color thread, because sari is completely one color. Apart from this color there is no other color in the sari, so that is when we try to use a lot of gold, antique gold or the bright gold. Only then the work will kind of get highlighted. But this looks very nice when the blouse is actually worn. Beautiful cut work border. The same design is done on the sleeve. This is a very short sleeve, so the same thing is done in the sleeve here, and the back is also pretty much same, but it's a very wide neck and a deep neck blouse. So the design is exactly the same. Since the neck is very wide and deep, we've also given a pair of latkans, added some beads just to make it look a little grand. And for the back part, I have also added some small booties like this. Again worked in here actually in the butta we have mixed the violet color along with some zari, so that it has that tinge of gold and violet as well. So this is the kind of work I do, and after a long time it really feels good to be back in business. So in case you guys are new on this channel, do subscribe. You will get to see a lot of good content on this channel. And if you are not too comfortable in English and you are more comfortable in Kannada, do subscribe to my other channel, Naughty Threads Kannada, where all the videos are uploaded or posted in Kannada language. So for classes, do WhatsApp me. In case if you happen to stay somewhere around Banaswadi, do drop by. I would love to meet my subscribers and viewers. So just make some time and drop by. I will be posting a video about my new place, that is my new boutique, on my vlog channel. So in case if you guys have not subscribed to Kanika Reddy Vlogs, do subscribe now. Do let me know in the comment section what you think about these designs and my work. I guess that's all. I shall see you guys soon. Until then, take care.